There's a little button that allows it to go all the way closed. For some reason, it's got to stop in there somewhere. Yeah.
So what? The button gets pushed
Push
in?
it down with a snap or something. Probably, yeah, use a tool.
Take tail on left
So the
side.
question is, we should put it in first, right? We get this thing, see if it works. Is it long enough? I guess we do it in stages, right?
Yeah, do it in steps. Do about a half a stint at a time.
Oh wow, that is for valve, right?
It may be the upper one there. See the taller one? Yeah.
No.
It's follow that groove up.
This thing right here?
No, the groove that's on the base. Yeah. I think it's underneath that part. You can see it. It's almost hard to see. See it's even deeper. See the gray that's in there deeper?
Can't say you do.
Nope. Down. Yeah, there. Now rotate your tool so that it goes in that groove a little deeper. See how it's popping up?
No, I don't.
Okay.
So that's get pushed down? I see.
Yeah,
I see what you mean.
push it down out of the way so you can rotate past.
See what's gonna fit in there.
One second. Optimize the
Yeah. Should we crimp? Should we crimp right up to it?
Yeah, since you're already on those apexes, it should go fine like that.
Let's pull back a little bit.
You may want help with somebody to hold the pressure down on it while you.
Oh, 1 second.
No, I'm gonna get it tighter.
Yeah, a little farther down. About half that step. That looks good.
Okay.
Yep.
And then so,
Release
is
this a
she
little.
is she gonna push
I'm gonna push
gray to black?
gray to black.
The gray actually, the rotating handle.
That's nice. Works like a charm.
And then when we get up to the SMA fin, we're going to want to pull on the sheath in addition to pushing. You might not need to come any far enough that you have to press that button again. It's probably the radial force putting up a fight.
I don't want to tear off our stuff.
The valve, the spikes at the top, right?
Yeah, give yourself even a little more throw. Looks great.
Snagging on this guy, so pull that. That click obviously is what we have to push. Right?
That's the button, yeah. Ken can press it when you get to the spot. Yeah. See what he's got, that little. Yep.
You know what? I'm gonna get a little closer because that has a tail.
I like that, yeah. Especially on the apex part of the set.
Oh my god, this is 1,000 times better.
Yes.
Release it. We got a little chromix in the way. Hope we didn't snag those, but see them sticking out?
It's a table saw.
Yeah. Like it?
It's a table saw.
Alright, release it then. Slightly. A little bit more. Alright, close that again.
You able to get tight on that shot? Good, good, cool.
Release again. Tighten again. This may be the edge there. Let's see.
The spikes in our issue.
Hope these chromats aren't shearing. Alright, pull it up.
Yeah.
Down again.
Yeah, if you feel any resistance, let's have somebody pull it on the shoe.
Alright, pull up again. Gotta worry about those hooks now, right? So let's try that there.
Free of actually, and as well. Every 30 minutes reminder.
Push down again.
Yeah, can you just let us know every 30 minutes?
Can you push with your right hand and pull the
Yeah, every
sheath
30
with
minutes
your
we'll
left?
do, yeah.
Push this
No,
forward.
with the crimper with your right. And now help
You
them
said
pull
3
the
minutes to
sheath.
pull this way?
Nope, toward the
I'll get you an ACT.
Point.
toward the pointy end.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, that's one. Two, three.
Doesn't take much, just to,
2 more minutes?
Push.
One, okay. I'll get you ACT,
Alright,
right?
let's try. Right now we're close to the lips. Oh, loosen it again. Squeeze it around.
Do a little bit less, maybe.
Come closer.
Any-
Open up a bit.
Anytime you're getting on those apexes.
Yep. Close down. Tight as you can. Yep. It's the same thing. Let me see if I can push this up. With this hand, when I say push, is push. Ready? 1, 2, 3, push. Yep. Good. Excellent. Loosen up. Do it again.
Great.
Right. 2, 3, push. Yep. Again. Brett, love this idea.
Oh my gosh. It's a game changer.
Totally is. No torquing, twisting, push. No torquing, no twisting.
Yeah, because it compresses equally on all the way around. Yeah.
We can just do this blend there, right? Because that's, yep. 1, 2, 3, push. Right?
Yeah, that'll probably go okay.
Probably just from here on in.
By
Right,
itself.
just push up. Just do this way. All right, push. Couple more.
About halfway up that slit is the sweet spot.
Oh, we're all the way up. Down.
That's it. You got another half
That's
centimeter.
it.
Yeah.
Push. 1, 2, 3. Yep. That's good. Smooth.
You can do that umbilical wrap if you have any kind of edge at all, and it'll take it down.
Perfect. You know what? Let's try that one. You get the umbilical tape?
That's right there. Yeah, get it.
What Kelly? You got a Kelly or Coke?